What's up, everybody? It's Misty, and welcome back to Gardening with Grain. Today, we're going to talk about growing avocado from an avocado seed. I purchased some avocado from Sam, some Haas avocados about 4 months ago, and once I ate the avocado, I took the seed, I soaked it in water, waited till it grew a little roots, and I planted it in the soil. Usually when you soak the seed in water and you wait for the root to sprout, you wait for it to flower, but I didn't. I waited for it to get the little taproot at the bottom, and I immediately stuck it in the dirt, and it's taken about 2 months, and it finally decided to flower for me. I am so happy. I have actually like 3 individual plants that have grew from that one seed. So at this point, I'm just letting it go, seeing what it does. I really don't want to mess with it or separate it from the seed right now because I don't want to damage the root because it's still attached to the seed. Let me see if I can show you guys that it's still attached to the seed. The seed is right there, the pit of the seed, and then as you can see, the flower is sticking through that seed. I am so happy that I was even able to germinate a flower. I know it takes a while for avocados, some say 5 to 10 years, but I'm going to try this out. I'm going to see how far I can go with this avocado flower. Hopefully it produces a nice avocado plant for me and some nice avocados in the future. Thanks for watching. If you like, please subscribe to my channel, Gardening with Green. Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Hit me with a like button, or you can hit me with a comment. Let me know if you like my content, or if you have any questions, or if you have any tips. Thank you, and have a good day.